If you're a programming geek and not making any money online, you are missing out big. Anyone who is familiar with languages such as C++, HTML, Python, Java, and PHP can get paid to code online. This means you can finally combine your love of programming with your love of cold hard cash. Technology is only becoming more and more a part of everyday life. Even grandmas know what TikTok is. This means the value of programming skills is only increasing too. And the best part about all this is that the sweet thing we call the World Wide Web has opened up new possibilities for programmers to find work. You don't have to go into the office anymore to find programming work. There are many incredible ways to make money online with programming skills. If you learn various coding languages and programs, then you can offer your skills online and start generating cash fast. The key is that you need to learn and know the latest code to appeal to your clients. By doing that, you can charge more for your services. In this video, we talk about 12 ways on how to make money by coding online. But first, if you are new to the Recite channel, welcome and be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for our useful future uploads. Start a personal website. A personal website is like a giant billboard to show off your coding skills. Your website design should be sleek enough to reflect your skills and identity. It's a way of branding yourself. You can also use it to share your portfolio as a coding expert. On your website, share your wicked smart programming tips to showcase your authority in the niche. Create your own website with a blog section to share coding-related content with your website visitors. Don't forget to reply to comments and answer visitor questions regularly. This kind of interaction makes you accessible in the coding circle. It also helps you gain trust, which will bring you income and clients. Once you've established your personal brand, trust, and authority, you'll have more clients to offer your online services, charging hourly rates, or better, big project rates. With a website, you can also earn from Google AdSense, advertisements, sponsored ads, affiliate marketing, and other monetization strategies. Solve programming questions. Many students are struggling with programming questions. If you are a master of any programming language, then you can help that student in their studies in exchange for a decent amount of money. These are some top websites where you can answer programming questions. Freelancing. The gig economy has seriously changed the game for lots of skilled workers, including you and your genius programming brain. Just offer your programming services to clients online. Check out a few freelancing platforms and find the one that works best for you. Freelancers earn an average of $60 to $115 per hour, working with some of the most reputable brands around the world. The coolest thing about freelance work is that you can create your own work schedule and you have the freedom of working from anywhere. As you take on more jobs and earn fantabulous reviews on freelancing platforms, you'll be able to raise your income levels. Some of the best freelancing platforms include FlexJobs, Freelancer, and Fiverr. On these sites, you have the opportunity to bid on different projects. Online courses selling. You can teach your favorite programming language to other students who are struggling to learn a programming language. There are many students around the world who are looking for some online courses to learn something new. You can earn up to $1,000 a month or more by selling courses. Here are the top websites where you can start an online course teaching career. Develop apps. Take advantage of your programming skills by developing an app and monetizing it. If you are familiar with Objective-C or Swift, you can create an essential iOS app in just a few hours. Then launch it on the App Store. After that, you can sell it to the public through different kinds of media. If you've got a really good and marketable app idea, it's easy for you to make money by creating it yourself for free. Check out Upwork, Apache Cordova, Appcelerator, and more for awesome ideas. Make a plugin or theme for WordPress. Nearly 25% of all websites out there on the internet use WordPress. If you create useful WordPress plugins and themes, you can make some sweet cash. WordPress plugins are in high demand. This is a great way to make money to code online. You can do this by developing mass apps for WordPress, developing small modules such as plugins and themes. To monetize the plugin, you can make it premium and charge users directly, or you can make it free and earn through ads and donations. Earn with Quora. Quora is the top question and answer website where you can ask questions and top experts answer them. Do you know you can make money by asking questions and answering other people's questions? You can start your publication or spaces in Quora. Quora gives you the opportunity to start your publication and another developer will join your space and answer the other questions or publish articles on your space. You can now earn with the Space Partner program which is recently launched. Join coding competitions. People like making money from doing stuff they are good at. We bet you do, too. So let's talk about coding contests. Coding contests are a great way to get paid good money with your coding skills. Most contests offer substantial cash prizes to the winners. Some of the most popular coding contests include Top Coder, Code Chef, HTML5 contest, and Calling All Innovators, but there are definitely more out there. There are 3 competition areas: design, development, data science. Top coders handle real-life problems for 2,000 global customers, competing in single-round tournaments where both skills and fun are emphasized. Why not jump into a contest or 2 and try your luck? Just like boxing, you get paid for emerging victorious. And aside from a sweet cash injection to your bank account, competitions like Top Coder offer online programs where networking is key. So not only do you get to compete and win big, you get to learn from other top participants by seeing their code, and you get to mingle with big companies searching for the top talent in coding. It's basically like professional sports, except less running and more typing. Write articles. As a programmer, you can write some tech articles or programming articles and earn a lot of money with it. You just need a creative mind and then start typing and share your knowledge with the world. Here are some of the websites for article writing which pay you. Open source coding. You can start developing an open source program or software and make it available free for everyone. And you can ask for support from your software users, and in exchange for their support, you can keep updating the software for them. Many programmers use funding and donation sites to collect payments from users and keep updating the code. These are some websites where you can collect donations and support. Coding channel. YouTube allows many creators to make their career on their platform. You can make programming videos and start your tech channel, and using Google AdSense, you can monetize your every video. Many YouTubers are earning a full-time income. To start your channel, you can check out some videos on how to start a channel. You can learn about the YouTube policies for monetization. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found the video useful. Tell us in the comments, which ways do you recommend to start making money online by coding?